Let's go ahead and replace ink cartridges on this HP DeskJet 2827e printer. First, we need to make sure the printer is turned on. And go ahead and open this front door. Just pull it down like this. Let it drop. The ink carrier will slide to the middle. If it doesn't, there's an error of some sort. What you can do is simply manually, very slowly push the ink carrier to the right and remove cartridges, then turn the printer off and turn it back on. If you have no problems and the ink carrier just came here to the middle, go ahead and push down on the cartridge that you want to replace. The black one is on the right. Just go ahead and push it down. Remove the cartridge. And this area is supposed to be clean like it is right now. And nothing here. If that's what's giving you problems with the ink cartridge, then check out this area. If you are replacing both cartridges, go ahead and remove the color cartridge as well. This is what I'm using. I got this set on Amazon for under $30 for both of them. They are XL high capacity cartridges. And let's go ahead and put those in. The process is still pretty much the same for all cartridges. So let's go ahead and remove the outer packaging. Then remove this orange tab here. And now remove this tape. And we're going to go ahead and shake it about 6 times. And now we're ready to put it into the printer. Color cartridge is going on the left. Slide it in there and push it until you hear the click. Now open the black cartridge. You can shake it before you open it. Remove packaging. Don't forget to remove tape. Push it in there, just like so. Now go ahead and close this door. And the cartridges have been replaced. Now, even with these aftermarket ink cartridges, it still shows ink levels. Sometimes if you get cartridges that are not HP brand, you may not see the ink levels. This one does show ink levels, which is great. It's not that often that this will happen. But that's why I use this brand and I recommend it to all. Let's go ahead and print stuff and see how well it prints. This is the same process for printers that look like this here and use 67 ink cartridges from HP. After the ink cartridges are replaced, we're going to do an alignment. We're going to take the alignment page, put it in this corner, right here. Press the start button. And now it'll scan it and do an alignment. You will also get a recycling bag where you can just drop your old cartridges and drop this bag in the mail. It's already prepaid postage and you can take care of recycling that way. It'll be sent to a recycling plant. This is the print quality report and all colors look great. So that's how you replace ink cartridges on this HP DeskJet 2800 series. Check out the ink cartridge link down in the description below. I use aftermarket ink cartridges all the time. They work great, and if they don't, then I definitely do not recommend it. But this set I do recommend. Surprisingly, it does show the ink levels, which is great, and they put out very good print quality, costing about half or even less than what the HP originals would. Let me know what you think about the aftermarket ink cartridges, or the non-OEM is another way we call them. What you feel about the HP ink subscription, HP Instant Ink program, or if you just like to stick to the original HP cartridges. How are you on the cost of them? Usually they're pretty high. That's the reason why I get these here, because they cost about, if these cost $30 for two, original 67 XLs cost about $80. But just let me know what you think about these prices. But anyway, this is how you replace the ink cartridges. Pretty simple, straightforward. Let me know if you have problems along the way and if you may need some help with your printer. I definitely want to help you out if I can. Thank you so much for watching and have yourself a great day.